move on to how drywall is made. Understanding how drywall is made is important to the overall construction understanding. And let's watch this video that shows the process of how drywall is made in the factory.
Gypsum is one of the most common minerals in the world, usually derived from the salt content in seawater. The gypsum used to make gyp plasterboard is sourced from natural deposits formed from centuries of evaporating saltwater lakes. Gypsum is a compostable, non-toxic material that's used as an organic soil conditioner, as well as being the safe and sustainable core ingredient in gyp plasterboard. The raw gypsum is fed through a heated grinder until it's the consistency of flour, cooking in a kettle at over 150 degrees Celsius before being discharged into a de-steaming pit. It's then put through a second grinding process and transferred to the bulk storage silos ready for use. Gyp plasterboard is manufactured by pouring a liquid gypsum mixture onto a piece of liner paper, then placing another piece of liner paper on top before being pressed, smoothed, cut into various lengths and widths, and dried. The paper liner is specially produced to withstand the soaking and drying of the manufacturing process. The inner or back ply provides a strong bond to the gypsum core. The top or face ply has to be as smooth as possible to be seamlessly compatible with decorative materials like paint and wallpaper. The board making process starts with reels of paper liners loaded onto the paper stands, fed onto the conveyor belt and filled with the mixed plaster slurry. The plaster mixing is continuous, blending the gypsum with water and additives to ensure that the plaster slurry flows quickly and can be leveled out by the static forming plate which controls board thickness. The board is formed face down. The endless plasterboard sheet expands slightly as it hardens while moving down the line. By the time it reaches the rotary knife, the plaster is set enough to be cut before entering the dryer. The dryer is over 100 meters long with multiple decks and zones. The line speed and temperature in each zone can vary depending on the weight of the plasterboard. The production line is electronically monitored, and any slight flaw in the surface or core is picked up, and that board is automatically removed, ensuring the highest quality finish and performance levels. When completely dry, boards are automatically released, and to minimize damage during transportation and handling, are placed face to face and taped together. When a certain number of sheets have been loaded onto the table, they're packed together for transport. Full packs are transferred to the distribution warehouse where they are stored by